Cleaning the exterior and sensors on the ZT231, ZT211, and ZT111 printers. Over time, dust, grime, and other debris may build up on the outside and inside of your printer, particularly in harsh operating environments. Cleaning the printer exterior. You may clean the exterior surfaces of the printer with a lint-free cloth and a small amount of mild detergent if necessary. Do not use harsh or abrasive cleaning agents or solvents. Cleaning the sensors. Lift the media door. Open the print head. Brush, air blow, or vacuum any accumulated paper lint and dust away from the sensors, media path, and ribbon path. Close the print head. Close the media door.